Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Back in the old days, the Hakka people would pickle the leaf mustard with salt. They would leave it to dry in the sun for a week, and then put the leaf mustard into empty wine bottles one by one. After sealing the bottles and fermenting it for 4 to 6 months, you have what's called futsai. By using this method, one can preserve futsai for over a year.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
我们每次都介绍很多吃的很多东西嘛，对不对
Love it, love it, love it.
那我们今天来喝汤。
Soup, yeah. You know what? We haven't really talked about much soup here on the Hakka segment, so that's a good idea. 好啊，介绍汤。
有一种汤一定有汤过嘛，泡菜汤。
泡菜汤。我如果要猜的话，是菜脯吗？不是。
不是，
泡菜，然后菜脯倒过来就菜脯啊，
不是啊，差很多，好不好？
那是什么东西？
泡菜汤其实你应该多多少少有喝过啦。它是用那个芥菜
哦，芥菜 ，yes，
然后去用那个盐巴去卤勾。去腌过，然后把它塞到瓶子里面
啊，这个我听说过了，
知道了。
对，有人自己在家里就会做这个事情嘛，对不对？This is a very special process on how they marinate vegetables, especially the leaf mustard， 也就是芥菜。And they actually, marinate it in salt. And they put it inside a bottle， 是真的放在瓶子里面。
对，主要就是要让它发酵。
OK. How long does that take? 通常会发酵多久呢？
半年左右。
Whoa, are you serious? Wow. Okay, so you have to put it there, leave it there in marination for about half a year before you can bring it out and use it in a soup. 所以这是要用在汤里面哦。
对，因为我们都会把猪肉给切片，猪肉切一堆。
OK.
然后放在里面煮。
然后跟芥菜。
对，
就是
泡菜。
That's 泡菜，芥菜。So that's the leaf mustard that they use. Again, they take this vegetable, they marinate it in salt, 用盐巴。Yang. Okay, that's salt. Put it inside a bottle, leave it there for half a year, and then they take it out, slice up some pork.
猪肉
that's pork, and then they cook it all together into one dish. It's a soup.
泡菜汤
哦，福菜。
对啊，就是喝的时候呢，就会多福多寿
很有福气的感觉就对了。
对
Okay, it'll bring a lot of luck, bring a lot of happiness. It's called the 福菜 soup.
泡菜汤
So you can try that next time when you have more Hakka dishes along with this Hakka soup right here. That does it for today. Let's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.